Veloster N. This is what it sounds like before, guys. Go ahead.
And it's in sport mode, right? That's
N mode. It's in N mode. Here's the sound decibels. Again. So right at 108 when it pops. Without the pops, about 98. We're gonna take the resonator off. We'll let you guys hear it after. So 2022 Veloster N. Not the line. True N right there. Anyways. Got factory converter up there somewhere. Look, it's only got 1,100 miles on. Look at the pipe, still brand new. We've done theirs before. He just upgraded and he wanted the resonator delete again so he can hear the barbel when it downshifts on like lower gears. There's the resonator right there. As you guys can see, it's tiny, like my other videos compared to my hand. It's almost the same size as my hand. There it is. So there's a resonator delete. Then 2.5-inch pipe into his factory muffler. Then what's special about these ends is you press there's an N button on the steering wheel and it opens this valve and makes it almost straight pipe. It bypasses the muffler kind of on one side, as you guys can see. And then it's got 4-inch tips there and there. It's got a gigantic muffler too on it. So, yeah. Anyways, like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Now it does have it on even on the low end, you know?
Wow. Again? It hit 111 earlier.
Yeah. What a difference.
Again? And all we did is take that little piece off right there, that little baby resonator. Go ahead and back it up. You know what's nice? It still sounds really clean, you know? Just got the barbel, you know? Yeah. All right, we'll let you guys hear on the inside. I love that pop. Like you can still hear it. That's awesome.